Streaming live, this is NewsNation Now.
Good morning. Welcome to NewsNation Now. I'm Ji Suki. Here are your top headlines on this Thursday. Breaking this morning, at least 3 people are dead and several others injured following a knife attack in France. It happened this morning at the Notre Dame Basilica in the city of Nice. Check newsnationnow.com for updates on this story. An overnight curfew was in effect in Philadelphia to quell unrest after police shot and killed a 27-year-old black man. Philadelphia's police commissioner says the department will release body camera footage and 911 tapes in the fatal shooting of Walter Wallace Jr. She also says the police department should move as soon as possible to integrate mental health services. Authorities say police fatally shot Wallace after he ignored orders to drop a knife. His family's lawyer says they had called for an ambulance to get Wallace help with a mental health crisis. Zeta weakened into a tropical storm over central Alabama this morning. The storm barreled through Louisiana and Mississippi after making landfall along the Gulf Coast yesterday. At least 2 people were killed. Your vote, your nation. We're just 5 days away from the presidential election, and voters across the country have already cast more than 76 million ballots. Yesterday, the Supreme Court allowed absentee ballot extensions in North Carolina and Pennsylvania. The court ruled that absentee ballots in North Carolina can be counted up to 9 days after Election Day. President Trump will travel to the state today. He and Joe Biden are also campaigning in Florida. They're expected to visit Tampa hours apart. The Trump administration announced a plan that will allow millions of Americans on Medicare or Medicaid to get a free COVID-19 vaccine once one is available. Medicare and Medicaid will cover vaccines that receive emergency use authorization from the FDA. While there is not yet a clinically proven vaccine against the virus, there are nearly 200 candidates in development worldwide. Dr. Anthony Fauci says vaccines would likely not be available to the public until 2021. Today is World Stroke Day. Stroke is the 5th leading cause of death in the U.S. and the leading cause of long-term disability. NewsNation anchor Marnie Hughes spoke with the president of the American Heart Association about symptoms and steps you can take to lower your risk. Check out this important story on newsnationnow.com or the NewsNation Now app. Trending this morning, they're not likely to remember it, but these newborns are celebrating their first Halloween in style. The Children's Hospital of Philadelphia dressed up patients in its newborn infant intensive care unit in costumes and posted the pictures on its Facebook page. Take a look at Apollo Creed from the Rocky films. They even have that tiny Subway sandwich, so cute. There's a kitty cat as well. Oh, you got to check out this story. It's really going to make your day. For now, I'm G. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to stay with us throughout the day for breaking news coverage here on our app and website. And, of course, tonight's News Nation broadcast at 8/7 Central on WGN America. Have a wonderful Thursday, everybody.